Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making green beans bread. As you can see, so easy, so simple, and so amazing. So as you can see in this video, we already washed our green beans, so we are going to transfer it into a blender, and we are going to go in with warm milk. Then we are going to blend until it is well smooth and nice. After blending it, we are going to take the green beans to a strainer to strain it thoroughly. So add it into your strainer and make sure that it is well strained like this. Filter it because we need the juice, we don't need the excess back of the green beans. So after that, we are going to set it aside after filtering it. Then the next thing we are going to go in is active yeast, and we are going to go in with a pinch of salt. Mix the salt and the active yeast together. Then the next thing we are going to add is brown sugar. You can use white sugar. Then the next thing we are going to add is egg, and the next thing we are going to add is groundnut oil. Add the groundnut oil and the egg. You are going to mix everything until they are well mixed and combined together. Make sure you mix it thoroughly and make sure it is well mixed and combined together. Guys, try this homemade green beans bread. It tastes so amazing, so soft, so easy, and so nice. So go in with flour. You are going to be mixing the flour step by step until you get to the consistency you are looking for. This is me, Lulu's Kitchen. If you are watching from my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and don't forget to drop your comment. And if you are also watching from my Facebook page at Lulu's Kitchen, follow, like, drop your comment, and tell me where you are watching from. So as you can see in this video, go in with the remaining flour. Then the next thing we are going to add is butter. Add your butter and you are going to mix it until the dough and the butter they are well mixed and combined together. So as you can see, I later transfer my dough into my wall surface just to mix it thoroughly and make sure that it is well soft and nice. Guys, I have this leftover green beans in my fridge and I don't know what to do with it. I just decided to use it and just make bread, and it come out so amazing. It was so soft, so nice, so juicy, and so amazing. As you can see, the dough is ready, so we are going to place it into our bowl and we are going to cover it and allow it to rest. Then after a while, we bring it out. As you can see, it's rest enough, so we are going to deframe the dough. So deframe it and bring it out from the bowl and transfer it into your wall surface. Then the next thing we are going to do is to mix it a little bit in our wall surface. Make sure it is well mixed. Then you bring out your dough cutter and divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Then the next thing you are going to do is to bring out the other one you set aside and divided it like this. Then the next thing is to mold it and make sure that it is well molded. Keep it aside. Then we bring out our hot dog. We are going to be adding hot dog. Bread without no hot dog, you know that it will not be juicy, especially this green beans bread with this hot dog. It tastes so amazing. So the next thing we are going to do is to roll it and put our hot dog inside. Then we are going to roll it like this. Then the next time we are going to add the next shape. Then we divided the loading into 2 equal parts and we are going to close them. Guys, this hot cross bread, green beans bread, it tastes so amazing. I don't know the name to call it, but you see this green beans bread, it was so yummy. So repeat the same process until you are done with the dough, just like this. After a while, so this is the consistency we are going for. It's so easy, so nice, and so amazing. So the next thing we are going to do is to cover it and allow it to rest. Then we are going to open it again and we are going to rub it with our egg. Rub it with egg. After rubbing it with egg, then the next thing you are going to do is to put it in your oven and allow it to bake on our own. As you can see, our green beans bread hot dog cross is ready. You can call it any name. You go with the whole name. You see the name I call this bread? It was so amazing. So don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, don't forget to drop your comment. As you can see, the bread was so soft. Remember, stay tuned. Bye.